Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankar. In this video, you are going to learn a specific case law on professional ethics. This subject you will have in the 6th semester. Legal ethics, the topic, the subject in that semester we call it as legal ethics. According to the Advocates Act 1961, you should maintain professional ethics, standard of behavior, what a lawyer should do and what not. If you misbehave or if you exhibit the so-called misconduct or other professional misconduct or other misconduct, you are liable for punishment under Section 35 of the Advocates Act 1961. Before starting the video, you have to remember. UP Bar Association, particularly located in Allahabad Court, suspended the license of an advocate, Nitin Saxena. You can read the case as Smt.Geeta Sahu. 1 minute, I will tell you. Smt.Geeta Sahu versus Advocate Nitin Saxena, 2022. She has filed a complaint against Nitin Saxena, who is the advocate. Right. If you go to the facts of the case, Mr. Nitin Saxena was a popular advocate in Allahabad, very big high court. And he has entertained or interfered in a matrimonial dispute between the daughter of Geeta Sahu. She is Rini Sahu and her husband Himanshu Gupta or Himanshu Sinha, I will tell the name later. Definitely you can call him as Himanshu, I am sure. Right. There was a dispute between wife and husband, Rini and Himanshu. And actually Rini approached him. At the same time, on one day, it so happened that the advocate Nitin Saxena, he met Himanshu in the court and threatened him. Your wife is going to file a domestic violence case, you are going to file a maintenance case, we are going to file a 498A case, you will be in no, you have to face the consequences of all these cases. Actually threatened him. Okay, that's one point. So he asked him to effect compromise between wife and husband. Of course, it was not done. The cases are going on. In the meantime, actually, the mistake lies with Rini Sahu or Himanshu. They came to know that this advocate is a land broker. He is a real estate agent. And Himanshu saw him speaking to so many real estate people. Himanshu asked the advocate Nitin Saxena to procure certain land for him in Allahabad. He said okay. The lawyer said okay. And he said it will be costing around 35 lakhs. Right? And he asked him to transfer the amount. So this man, actually, this Himanshu transferred first 7 lakhs to the original owner of the particular land and later 2.5 lakhs, 35 lakhs, yes, 7 lakhs to the original owner, then 2.5 lakhs to the account of Nitin Saxena and handed over 2 lakhs in cash. That means around 11.5 lakhs he has paid. Regarding the remaining amount, since the remaining amount was not provided to Nitin Saxena, this Nitin Saxena repeatedly pressurized this Rini Sahu to file dowry and domestic violence cases against him. See the misconduct of the advocate. So since that fellow did not pay the money, he has instigated the wife to file cases against him. So the matter was now known to the mother, Geeta Sahu, that Himanshu was threatened. No doubt, even though there are differences between wife and son-in-law and her daughter, she has approached the UP Bar Association, stating that this man has entered into the matrimonial affairs. Now you can understand it. You can read in between the lines. It will be easy for you to understand. And threatening. So immediately, as per section 35 of the Advocates Act, disciplinary committee was appointed, notice was given to him, the procedure and CPC was followed. Right? The evidence was presented by both parties. Of course, the complainant Geeta Sahu, she stood firm on her allegations and she filed a affidavit containing the support materials. What are they? Like bank statements, because they have transferred the amount. Right? So these bank statements itself there, because they are transferred through bank, itself is sufficient to say that Himanshu Gupta gave the money. No doubt. If he terms it as fees, it can't, because hefty amount, 7 lakhs, then 2.5 lakhs, then 2 lakhs, like that he has paid. Indeed, he has transferred funds to Nitin Saxena on multiple occasions. Of course, multiple occasions means for the so-called effecting of compromise. Right? Now, during the inquiry, Nitin Saxena agreed or confessed, acknowledged his role as a mediator in the dispute. In the matrimonial dispute, yes, he said he acted as a mediator, he wanted to settle the issue, he asked her to file the cases, all these things. And as a land broker also, of course, he did not agree. So therefore, he failed to provide any satisfactory explanation for the financial transactions. Right? So he could not say the purpose as to why he had taken money, or neither he denied the account's ownership. That means he has acknowledged. So what to do? The disciplinary committee was satisfied with the complaint. There is ground, therefore they have suspended him for 5 years. Actually, this complaint was given in the month 2022. She gave the report in 2022, and very recently the Bar Council has taken the decision. Of course, you can go to the Bar Council of India, then ultimately to the Supreme Court in the appeal shape. Let us see what will happen. But after reading this case, you have to know that don't interfere in land matters. And advocacy is a 24/7 profession. You should not indulge in other business. So if you are interested as a real estate, better go and do that. Oh, you can earn a lot of money. But as a lawyer, you cannot do it. That is what you have to learn. It is against to the ethics. So in the coming year, next semester, definitely you will be discussing number of cases like this. Okay. For the present, I am staying back. Thank you.